I'm Dr. DrAierDavis, and today we are gonna unbox my Ivy Beauty PR box. Okay, so a little fun fact about me. I am a dentist, but I am also a creator. I'm walking in that title, and so many opportunities have come to me in this past almost 2 years, so I'm gonna be confident and say that. Along the journey, I was able to work with Red by Kiss and do like a little beginner wig tutorial video, and they offered me the opportunity to be a part of their creator program. So they sent me a PR box and I'm gonna go through it with you. Most of the products I have already used, some I'm gonna use today on the video, and we're gonna go through this together. So I'm excited. I'll have all of them linked down below if you want to try them yourselves. Have at it. Let's see what we got. I already know what we have because I was able to pick it, but that's not the point. So the first thing I want to highlight is something that I'm actually wearing today. Let's get into the mug. Okay, I'm learning. It's the All Day Cover Concealer. This concealer, first of all, is only $3.99. And it kind of hits better than some of my $50 concealers that I've purchased at Sephora. And I'm not just saying that because I got a PR box. I literally wore it last weekend. I'm gonna put up what my face looked like when I wore it last weekend. And I got compliments all day, and it legitimately lasted all day. And it was all that I used, like in my T-zone and under my eyebrows and stuff like that. I didn't mix it with any other concealer. Today I did mix it with a little bit of Bobbi Brown, just a touch of it, because I'm trying to like play with my face to see what colors I like and all the things. But I love it. I think it's a great price point, and especially if you're trying to learn and get into makeup more like I am, I would go with it every time. This is the number 4, and it goes really well. I would put it on my face, but I have someone already, so that's first. Second, I don't have this open, but I have used it, is the brow top coat. I'm trying to get more intentional in doing my brows and sealing it in and not smudging it and moving it, because I want to put my makeup on my face and it stay. So this locks your eyebrow makeup in for 24 hours. Love that for them. Next up is the Maximum Hold. You can see how much, look inside of this. It's barely any there. Okay, it's edge control and it's pineapple scent, and I'm not gonna lie, at first I was like, pineapple, I don't know about that. Sounds a little kiddish, but it smells so good, y'all. I just feel like it gives me an extra oomph through the day, and it makes my edges lay. And my edges, they're rough. Now I must say I do have to use a good amount, so I know I'm gonna need 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 of these to make it through the summer, because it's 200 degrees every day. But I love it. The scent is not that strong, and it comes in different flavors like strawberry and all that, but I think pineapple, I'm the type of girl, when I like it, I love it, I'm gonna stick with the River and Lakes that I'm used to. Then I also have this foam mousse. It's the summer, so you know braids are coming, and they're coming soon. Okay, and I have gotten to the point where I cannot wear braids dang near past 3 weeks. I used to wear them all summer, okay, when I was little. Now, but in order to, like, you know, keep them fresh and new, I wanted to try their foaming mousse, and also just different hairstyles. Like I put a little bit of foam on my natural bun that I did myself. Okay, I know, a little hairstyle girly, I know. But I used a little bit on my bun, and that shit was good. It made my hair wave up really cute. So I'll be using this all summer, and especially in the fall. These I want to try with y'all together. I got some different colored gloss bombs. I'm a very neutral lip girly. Like, I never worn a red lip. So many people tell me I would look good with it, but I'm anti-red lip. So I did get some different colors, so I want to try them with y'all. Okay, so the first color we have, so it's the Butter Gloss Bomb in the color Warm Hug. Okay, I really like that. It's neutral enough for me, not too much of a color. It's thick, so I know it'll last a good amount of time. And I feel like I can blend it with like other things, so I like that. This is another Butter Gloss Bomb. This is the color Champagne. Champagne. Ooh. I like Frosty. Me like. I may like this one, and I know I'm gonna wear this one more than I'm gonna wear Warm Hug. But then what color is this? Last we have Pillow Talk and Flirty. Flirty's a little bit darker, so let's try Flirty first. Much of a difference. Let's see. Okay, I can see it in my camera. I'm gonna put up the video I just made, so maybe you can see it better there, but I like it. It's cute. It gives like color. It's like not too much, so that's perfect for me because I want lip color and I want it to look like I have something on my lips, but I'm not a big crazy color girl. Like, it needs to be very much neutral. Very much neutral. The last one we're gonna try is Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk. Also, if you want to try any of these products for a little discount, I'm gonna leave my discount code in the description box below. Okay, I'm all about saving the coin. I love to try a product, I love to buy a product, I love to try new things, but if I can throw a little code in there and knock a couple dollars off in this economy, I love that for me. Oh, that's cute. That's like soft. Definitely summer. I'm gonna go ahead and say that these lip glosses are for girls like me. Girls like me who want a gloss, want the lips to be full, voluptuous, but not a bunch of color. It's a hint of color, so to pull out the makeup. And you know, yeah. This one almost looks clear. I probably could put more on, but I'm gonna post those pictures so y'all can see what it looks like. Because the camera, I don't know if the lighting is just natural lighting, but it looks good. I think that's all that I had in my PR box this month. Edge control, remember, pineapple, not too strong. Sticks on your edges, do have to use a little extra much and let them bake. Walk around, wrap them down before you step outside. Edges will last all day. I literally worked in, like, I did my edges before work because I had some stitch braids and I wore a silk surgical cap, which for all my healthcare girlies that want a silk line surgical cap, I will link my favorite one. It's from Amazon. It's like $17. I wore that, got home, and my edges still had the little curl swoop, and I'm like, wow, I didn't even do anything to go to work. Foam, mousse foam. We love a good foam in this household, especially when I had short hair. Back in my old days, I used to wear short hair. My husband don't want me to cut my hair short like that, and it's really high maintenance, so I went through a lot of foam. But this is for when I get these summer braids. Honey, you're gonna see me use this again to maintain them for a little bit longer. Brow top coat. This is the clothes pack, but I've already opened mine and started using it to keep that eyebrow, that eyebrow makeup intact. All day concealer, I've already told you, look at the cut. Look at how the sun is hitting it. Okay. I've already told y'all about this. A new staple, only $4 compared to the $50 you'll spend for all the other colors. I mean, all the other, you know, companies. And my new go-to Butter Bomb glosses. I love them. Like, seriously. Who needs Dior lip oil when you have Ruby Kisses? I mean... But anyway, that's all I have for y'all today. Thank you for unboxing this with me. Remember to head to the description box for all the products that I used today, my discount code so you can save a little money, and to follow me across all social media platforms at DrAierDavis. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, please, to help me grow here and build a little YouTube community that I'm trying to cultivate. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, anything you want to see me make a video about, you know, I love dentistry. I could talk about it all day, but sometimes it gets a little dry. So I try to talk about things that are important to me, like self-care, skincare, beauty, all the fun things. But if you want me to, you know, if you want to send an anonymous question that you have about your teeth, comment and I won't violate HIPAA. We can talk about something. Until next time, I'll see y'all soon. Bye, friends.